Hello kids, this is the time to practice the single letter sounds with sound P, K and R. Before starting the reading, let's say the sight words. Look, this word is said. Say said. Say again said. Look, this word is like. Say like. Say like. And this word is and. Say and. Say again and. Now let's start the reading. Before starting the reading, let's repeat the sight words again. Said, like, and. The panda said, I like my pen and parrot. The queen said, I like my quill and coil. The rabbit said, I like my remote and ring. Very nice, kids. Keep practicing to say the single letter sound and repeat all the sight words you have learned from letter A till letter R. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.